Hey guys, today we're going to explore the new Games app on iOS 26. If you're using an iOS 26 and now you want to explore your Games app, so let's see how can do that. First of all, you have to open up your settings and you have to make sure that you're updated to the latest iOS version. So go for General and here go for Software Update. And here you have to make sure that you have the latest iOS version 26. Once you have that, you have to simply go ahead to your Games app, and here you can see there are some different features in your Games app. You can easily get the home page here, and here you will get different games provided by Apple, and here you will get the arcade section also. You can easily get the arcading games here. Here you can see there are different arcading games. You can easily play your games with your friends. Just select the friends feature for friends tab below, and here you have to add some friends, and then you can easily play with your friends. And here you will get the library section. In library you will get all of the games you have played. Here you can see I have played this game almost 7 months ago, so you'll get all of your played games here, and from here you can easily search for any game. So that's how you can easily use your new Games app in iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.